Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to use Bitwarden Authenticator app. So make it sure to watch it until the end because I will show you how to back up your code safely. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, install and open Bitwarden Authenticator. Tap the plus icon to add a new account. After that, tap enter manually or scan QR code. Alright, so go to the account you want to secure. For example, Facebook. Turn on two-factor authentication in the account setting. You will see either a QR code or a secret key. Just copy that and paste it to the authenticator. The authenticator will generate a code and paste it into Facebook to confirm the code and your identity to make it sure. So after you finish all that, the app will instantly start showing a 6-digit code for that account. So when you sign into that account, it will ask for two-factor verification code. Alright, so that's it. Now you know how to use the Bitwarden Authenticator app to secure your account easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you next time.